Good day, everyone! Today we will talk about the frog skeletal system. It is divided into two main parts, the eggshell skeleton and the appendicular skeleton.
The eggshell skeleton includes the skull and backbone, while the appendicular skeleton includes the limbs. First, let's identify the major bones of the frog. This is the skull, which protects the brain. Next is the vertebral column or backbone that supports the frog's body.
At the end of the backbone is the urostyle, a special bone that helps frogs jump. We also have the limbs, the front and the hind limbs, which are important for movements.
Now let's talk about their functions. The skeletal system gives support to the frog's body, helping it keep its shape. It also helps in movement, especially when the frog jumps or swims. Another function is protection, as the skull protects the brain and the other delicate part. Now,
the structure of the frog skeleton is connected to how it moves. For example, the strong hind limbs and the urostyle help the frog jump far. Its limbs also help it swim smoothly in water.
in summary, the frog skeletal system has eggshell and appendicular parts.
Its bones support the body, protect important organs, and help the frog move. So, did you learn something from today's video?
Yes, galing! We're hoping to see you again on our next video. Thank you and goodbye!